Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, the National Water Commission is urging Jamaicans to conserve water as the dry spell rages on.
The appeal comes as the water level at the corporate area storage facilities nears crisis proportion.
Kelesha Williams has the details.
As of Monday, July 27, the water level at the Hermitage Dam is at 48%, while the Mona Reservoir is just below 65%. With very little rain in the forecast for the rest of the summer, the National Water Commission says Jamaicans should conserve water. This, combined with the ongoing water lockups across the corporate area, has made life miserable for many Jamaicans looking to cool off as temperatures continue to soar.
Ice water, I drink a morning for tea. Yeah, man, I just drink one bag water that, really hot, me I tell you.
Which is a problem when we look at the water forecast. The reality is we're not expecting any major rain for the next 6 weeks. So the drought conditions are indeed biting.
Each year during the water restrictions, the government has faced the ire of the public for failing to find permanent solutions to the ongoing water issues in the country. Earlier this year, the government announced that it is building a water plant in Compton, St. Catherine that should supplement the water supply to Kingston and St. Andrew and Portmore and Spanish Town in St. Catherine by 2027. Now, going forward for the rest of the summer, Minister of Water Matthew Samuda says steps have been taken to reduce the water challenges.
We have redirected 4 million gallons daily from private sources that are available to us as a part of our drought resilience strategy. They're available to us from Portmore, so we do pump in through the southern part of St. Andrew. But you are short about 8 million gallons daily now in demand in Kingston and St. Andrew. And it will be a tough 4 to 6 weeks after, I believe.
However, with the island still experiencing lower than normal rainfall, it is not clear when the water restrictions will be lifted. Kelesha Williams, TVJ News.